Now, we know you're used to the idea of recording yourself from using Flipgrid, but there's an awesome extension that allows you to record yourself in any window, and we love it.
Yeah, absolutely. Screencastify is an extension that will let me record myself just with my webcam on me, just like we're doing right now, Darren. Or it's also going to allow me to record things that are happening on my screen. So it's a really exciting way to be able to show what you know. Maybe you're showing an assignment you completed. Maybe you're doing a little bit of math problem solving. Maybe you're showcasing how you wrote a story. And so we use it for lots of different reasons. So what we do once we have that extension, it's the little pink arrow with a white video camera inside your browser bar. Once I pop this up, it gives me my choices of what I would like to record. So in here, I can record webcam only, just like we're doing in here. You can record your desktop. That's going to mean anything I'm doing. If I'm opening and closing tabs, if I want to be able to show maybe my app launcher or how to use my camera, anything like that. Browser tab means just this tab that I have open is the only place that it's going to record. And if I switch to anything else, you wouldn't see it. Now, I have a couple of choices. I can turn on my microphone. I can embed my webcam. That means I'm recording my screen, but the little picture of me and the webcam is going to stay right there on my screen as well.
Like a YouTube star.
Yes, exactly. Oh, doesn't everybody want to be a YouTube star? Hey, Darren. So what I'm going to be doing is showing you how I record. I'm going to leave my webcam embedded here so that I don't disappear on this other recording. I'm going to leave my camera on here, but I'm just going to show you a couple of little things. So I can go ahead and I'm going to be able to hit record, and it's going to count me down. Hey everybody, look, I'm on another screen right now. And so I have this lovely little webcam that I have right here. If I wanted, I can make it full screen. Hey everybody, I'm here again. And so it's just a fun way just to be able to record those videos and share your message. You're going to notice moving forward that there's even things like inking tools. I can go here and be like, yeah, Darren's the best, and I can circle his face and any of those things that I want to do. When I hit pause, I can take a breath, figure out what I want to say. But as soon as I hit stop, Darren, what's so fantastic, I can just sit back and relax because it's already saved in my Google Drive for me. I don't even have to worry about it. So now I can put this anywhere that I want. So what we have for you today, we're going to show you in a moment, we have a TikTok template. Any of you out there like TikTok? I don't know, Darren. I don't think I'm cool enough. I don't know any of the dances. Have you ever tried to do a dance? Can you do any of them?
I'm not. No, I'm not very good at that. I bet you these kids know. I'm sure they know a TikTok dance.
I bet you they know it. Well, we have a challenge for you. We want you to make a TikTok video to make the world a better place. You can sing, you can dance, you can tell a joke, read a book, pick up some litter. But what you're going to do after you record with Screencastify, you're going to say, insert video. What's so fantastic is our Google Drive is attached. So right there, it's going to pull up my video. It's going to be sitting right there waiting for me because I just recently recorded it, and I'm going to be able to see it. And I've recorded a few affirmations I want you to hear, Darren, just about how awesome we should all feel every day. And so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to say, got it. It doesn't like that Darren's outside my division, but I'm going to be able to go here and I can resize this. I can make it fit on my screen and move that around so it's going to be able to play. So that's the fun we want you to be able to have and do that. So your turn is to open up our TikTok template and make a copy. You're going to launch your Screencastify extension and just practice making some of those videos. You might want to practice making a couple before you have your final one. And remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. This is just for you to learn how to use the video tool. Then you're going to use the insert menu and get that video on your slide. So good luck, everybody, and have fun.
Perfect. And our last challenge is to say TikTok template fast 5 times. So we'll see you in the next video.